You want some crap? No! All right. You want to get your nails clipped? You don't want to?
Are you ready to go back to Ohio?
Want this one? No? Okay. Max, want to go to the pound?
I think we'll see the intensity or the coverage that we've seen the past couple of days.
You don't want any?
Storm team actor.
Clean your ears?
You want to go upstairs and go to bed? No? Okay.
Let's do it right now. Come on. Come on. Let's go to the bed.
Cooper, do we miss Daddy? Do we want him to be gone longer?
Annabelle, you want this radish?
Angel, you want your medicine?
Cleveland, take your pill.
Come on, wanna go in the pool?
Here you go.
Take your pill. Don't shake your head, no, take it.
Did you do this, Maddie? No, you didn't do this, Maddie. No. No.
Lucy, yes? Yes? Yes.
You ate it all gone. Why do you keep saying no? You want more dinner? Oh, okay. You want more dinner? Okay, let's go.
Are you guys excited for Mother's Day? Are you excited for Father's Day? Why aren't you excited for Mother's Day? You gonna get Mommy a present? On Father's Day, you're gonna get Daddy a present?
Colby, you want to take your medicine? No? No? You don't want to take it? No. Okay.
One of these? You don't?
You want to go outside? You want to go outside? You want to go outside?
На, мальчинка, вкусно. Не хочешь.
Come here. She said, nope.
Don't want that one? No?
Can I try getting your medicine, Ron?
Your treat? Yes.
Did you get in your bag of treats while I was gone? I think it was you, right? It was you? No, I think it was you.
You think you need a treat? You been a good girl? Huh? Have you been a good girl? You want a treat?
Are you 21? Do you have ID? You don't have ID? But would you like to drink? Oh, but do you have ID?